all the Jews had to register, get a Jew number, including the determination that a Jew was a person with one Jewish grandparent. So there were some priests in the line, you know, who, I don't know exactly what happened, but so having a Jew number wasn't good either. And then Dad came home and said, well, we got to do something about this. And I know little about exactly how the message got through, but there was an underground railroad. And so Dad started making inquiries, and he was able to get papers. The paper to go from Brussels to Paris, because his contention was he was going on vacation to Paris. At least it would get us closer, because the Germans had occupied only half of France. So there was still a part of France that was unoccupied. And Dad and many others decided they had to get to unoccupied France and then out of there.